Hey, bunch of buddies. Somebody's crawling over here to want to do some eggnog cupcakes, but I'll get to you in a short while. Now I'm back, and I'm going to make some eggnog cupcakes. As soon as I get this over here. All I need is one box of yellow cake mix, or one package of yellow cake mix. Well, it is yellow cake mix. It just says it's golden, but it's still yellow cake. Okay, here you are. Here's the scissors I've been looking for.
And folks, with Budget Buddies, we are sorry we haven't been out. This is the other Budget Buddy personnel watching the little one. Yes. We haven't been out due to the numbers on COVID-19 have been too high. We gotta get practicing that social distancing and safety, folks. If our little one could show you how to do it, he would.
But he's too young to do it.
He's just running away from everyone. Gordon.
1.5 cups of eggnog. And I'm going to start up melting the butter. It's already 1/4 of a butter. Or actually it's margarine, but it's already 1/4. One.
Oh, bless you.
That's an 1/8. That's a 1/3. And here's a 1/2. The box says 3, but this recipe says 4. I guess they want to help make a lot of cupcakes, I guess. The packages does, when you buy the yellow cake mix packages of cake, it does say 3 eggs, but the recipe calls for 4. And I'm guessing, I'm thinking that you are making it for for everybody, for people in the family. Depending on how many is in your family.
You got your sock off. I see it. Where's your sock? Uh-oh. You better get your sock. Where's your sock, Gordon?
So, one more egg, and that last egg will be breakfast for me, my husband, or the baby that's saying uh-oh a lot.
The uh-oh baby.
Now I'm going to add my melted butter in. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You don't need to add the nutmeg if you have allergies.
Gordon.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Nut.
Then I'm gonna put this over here, and I'm gonna get the blender out. Wait a second, I might have to do this in a while. We're back, and I'm going to do something now. I just need the icing, some candy, I think I'll do the scores for the ice, and then I'll show you what I'm doing right now. Once these are cooling, I got some timbits at the at Tim Hortons, and I'm going to put some icing on them. And Willie Bear is playing with his son.
Pardon?
I said Willie Bear is playing with his son.
Yeah. I gotta find a word for his ball. Over here.
Isn't it not the puppy's bowl? And no, not the kind that you see before the thing that happens in February. I don't even know if that's even going to happen in 2021. So.
No. Gordon.
So. If I don't know what's going to happen with the Super Bowl next year of 2021 because of this, all the happenings, there might not be one in February.
No, there may not.
So. And there might not be a puppy bowl in 2021 either, before the Super Bowl, because of all the stuff that's happened, because the people that own the puppies might.
Yeah.
That might not take their puppies to the puppy bowl because of all the stuff that's happening. So, we have no idea what's happening with the Super Bowl this year. Put a little snow person on the cupcake. And it was the first snowman. Trying to get some M&Ms for
Come here, Gordon.
for Button.
Yes. No. Yes. No.
And little score chips for the little eyes. One, two. I don't have any licorice, pull away licorice. But there's the snow person on the cupcake.
Really, Gordon?
Good. With a little button and everything. So, my hands are going to be more sticky. There's going to be cupcakes decorated this way, maybe, depending. But other than that, budget wise, budget conscious, budget smart, and always stay eggnog cupcake full. Now I'm gonna blend up all this stuff up. And smell the eggnog.
See, folks, Gordon, the little bunch of
Yeah, and there's the doorway watching in. Do these eggnog cupcakes. Yeah, it is on 335, but paper lids. But how many minutes do I have to leave it in there for? 12 to 14 it says.
So we'll put it in for 12 and we'll see what happens.
Yep. But first I gotta shake off the things. Shake, 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 shake,
Gordon,
shake.
show them how to shake. Shake them. You show them.
And I gotta put this away. And everything. Yes, I gotta put away. You know why, Gordon? I gotta put away too. I'm teaching you how to put away things that need to be put away. So you can learn to put away. Yeah. Nah, to you too. Nah, to you too. So now I gotta put my cupcake things very close to the bowl. So they drip onto the cupcake tin. And of course I gotta get out a spoon. Help to wipe off the excess.
What, Gordon?
And
Gordon. Come see Daddy. Daddy wants you to crawl over here. Come here. You did so well. Come here.
yeah. It's gonna be a while. I'm gonna pour in a couple batches here in the front row. And then I'll probably see you around 12 to 14 minutes after I do the last bit of punch, this last bit, and hopefully
What are you doing? Watch your hands. Gordon. Hello me.